Alright, so if you're doing a lot of camping and you use these propane bottles for your lantern, a little stove or something like that, and they get expensive quick and stuff. Been using this out of my land for a little lantern out there. I'm doing some cleanup at night. So I decided to get one of the little adapters for refilling. One of these little guys right here. Ordered this one online, but you also, I saw that you can get them at Harbor Freight. There's a little trick to filling those things, because if you just take one, when you put it in here, now if you flip it upside down, it lets the liquid down the bottom. It actually will help fill it, but you also want to have this outside so the temperature is on the warm side, which ups the pressure a little bit. Go ahead and screw it in. I'm going to show you a little trick. Now, so the first time you put it in, screw it in there, turn it on, and you get all excited because you can hear the noise, and you're like, oh wow, yeah, it's filling, oh great, awesome. Only problem with that is, in a second, you're going to be very disappointed. It's just literally going to stop, and when you go to shake it, you're not going to hear much in there. Now, like I said, the whole key is to keep this tank outside so it's nice and hot. Now this one right here was at room temperature, but there's a little trick to fill it up. See how it just stopped? So we're going to shake it now. You should be able to hear a liquid in there, and right now you're not going to hear a liquid at all. It's not even going to really feel like it was filled that much. Loosen it up. There's a little bit in there. There's not much. It's almost like it just kind of teased you. Alright, let me show you the little trick that works awesome. So I went to the shop freezer. All you want to do is put your tank in there for just a few minutes and let it to where it's nice and cool. Alright, refilling another tank right here. Just got it out of the freezer. Getting a nice fill right now. When we're done here, it actually should be full. Frozen, hot, works out perfect. Pretty much what it's going to do is it equalize out. Once it does, when it's upside down like that, it's pretty much putting the liquid down right there. Tells you it's done. Go ahead and close it up. Screw it. And this bad boy is full. So if you try to fill it the other way, with this being right side up, all it's going to do is let a little gas in there, and it just kind of tease you. It's not going to fill it. Put this outside in the sun, flip it upside down, so the liquid is coming out right here. At that point, it fills these things up, and it makes it so much easier. Just throw this in the freezer for about 5 minutes, and it does its thing. So that's pretty much the simple way to fill your propane with your little refill adapters. And if you just try to do it the other way, you're not going to like it. But flip this bad boy upside down, a little cold action right here, a little heat action on this out in the sun, and gives you perfectly filled propane tanks. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one.